Ever felt lost in Power BI, clicking all over the place just to find a tiny setting? Well, not anymore. Today, I'll show you a simple feature that changed the game for me, and it can save you hours of frustration too. Stay tuned because this small setting makes a big difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillDouble, the place where we sharpen our tech skills and double our career power. I'm Ajit, and in this video, we are diving into Power BI's on-object interaction feature, why it's important, how it helped me, and why you should turn it on today. Let's see through it. First off, what is on-object interaction? Simply put, it helps you directly edit charts, visuals, and fields right there without hunting through side menus or property pages. Here's a quick before and after. Now, before, I had to jump to the right side pane, find the right setting, sometimes even open multiple tabs, super time consuming. After, now, when I click on the object itself, I get quick access to change styles, data fields, visual types, all right at my fingertips. This small change has made a huge impact for me. It speeds up my reporting work, it reduces mistakes because I can see exactly what I'm changing, and honestly, it makes Power BI feel smoother and more intuitive. Now let's see the most important thing, how you can use it or how you can turn it on your Power BI reports. And if you're wondering how do I turn this magic on, here's how. Go to File, Options and Settings, Options, then under Preview Feature, look for On Object Interaction, and if it's not checked already, make sure you check the box. Restart Power BI and boom, you're good to go. Honestly, when I started using this, I wondered how I ever lived without it. If you're someone who wants to work smarter, not harder, this tiny tweak can make your Power BI life way easier. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Power BI and tech tips, and let's keep leveling up together. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know if you tried on Object yet, or if you have any other cool tips you want me to cover. So, guys, till then, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye for now.